entrance to the pews and getting chairs for the chapel. And as the donations began to come in, it was no longer just about chairs, and we could dream of some other possibilities. One of our donors had mentioned, I'd really like to see the chapel brightened up a bit. In between every one of those panels is dark wood. That's the original dark wood that was all around this chapel. And so the walls and brightening up the place became a possibility. We also thought about the original school colors and the gold and the white. And so if you take a look up, you will see that we had hand painted the ceiling to bring the gold and white, and now to also incorporate the blue and the gold that we have, and your chairs. And then originally I was thinking about just carpeting, and Lori said, there's a beautiful floor here. And then the tabernacle, which has been sitting here for probably a good 60 to 70 years. We had the tabernacle finished. We added a crucifix that had been here at some time. Again, wanted to make a connection between the old and the new. Talked about what would be the most important people to have in this chapel space. We have the Blessed Mother and we have St. Joseph, so that was a no-brainer, as they say. Our spirituality is an Ignatian spirituality. So we have St. Ignatius of Loyola. The other statue is a statue of St. Teresa of Avila. And we put some lighting, which, because these lights are so bright, we don't see as much, but the lighting is there to illuminate the chapel. Certain times of the day, the chapel is a little darker. I'm very happy that in the few short years that I've been here, that I've been able to make a contribution to a place that I love so much, and that I know that you love so much. And appreciate all that you've done to support this project.